As a CIO of Meiji Accounting Company, I hereby presenting the report of BYOD in front of you about requesting to implement it. This concept is new, and after attending the seminar of BYOD last month, I came to analyze the suitability of it for our company in disciplined way. Some of the objectives of this BYOD are as follows: increasing the efficiency and flexibility. Concerning about the BYOD, if we look the objectives, implementing BYOD increase the efficiency of work, which helps to meet the under user demand and satisfaction. It has got flexibility features that company can change the way of doing work and present in the new form systematically. Give boost to change the economic structure. Implementing BYOD can work on official tasks from anywhere, which helps to change the economic structure. Company need not have to invest money for the infrastructure that they need to develop hardware within the company to make reliable. It is one of reliable to work from anywhere rather than to attend the office and work within the office building. The consistent flow of work between each staff and service to the customer. Boost overall productivity and work mobility. Company primary objective is to boost productivity and more work mobility. On the contrary, they recognize the inherent value in mobile, connected and productivity workflows and are often willing to increase mobility spending to achieve that objectives. And last one is the user demand for this choice. About the BYOD background, it is a policy of permitting employee to bring their own device. The first concept was published in paper by Balagas. About 75% of employees in high growth market use BYOD. It is the survey of Brazil. A broad spectrum of device capability and responses, that is 44% of small medium business support employees on smartphone and 42% of people support through BYOD, which is the example of other company who adopt it and has got the success on it. About the agenda of this report, here are following agenda on which I am going to focus for this project. Purpose, introduction, pros and cons, BYOD network, cost enhancement, cash flow statement, business case at 10%, sensitivity analysis, conclusion and recommendation. About the purpose of this project, BYOD aims provide significant benefit to the business, availability, immediate access to entity information anywhere and access to technology, rich tools and processes. The purpose of this project is to invent new platform in accounting field to uplift the work structure and makes simple in any circumstances to employees. About the introduction, BYOD is also called bring your own technology, means the legal procedure that allow the employees bring to the workplace and use their own hardware in form of smartphone, laptops, notebooks and tablets. About the pros and cons of BYOD, here are some of the pros of BYOD which the company can get the benefit if they implement or if we implement this concept. Comfort and consistent between work and homes, cost saving and less burden, enhancement productivity, employee care, strategic initiative and competitive advantage over other in the industry. And there are some of the disadvantages or cons of this BYOD, which are follows: managing security, retrieving data, hard to monitor the outgoing data. These are some of the disadvantages or the drawback of this, which can be monitored and can be decreased while implementing the BYOD concept on our company. BYOD network, this is the short screenshot of BYOD network which we need to develop or create an infrastructure which while implementing BYOD. About the cost investment, here is the relevant cost which the company need to invest while implementing the BYOD. The total cost for every sector has estimated to 10 millions. About the cash flow statement, here is the every relevant benefit and relevant cost and calculated cumulative cash flow, present net value, and all the financial amount in this cash flow statement. About the business case, at 10%, if we implement BYOD project, we will get financial tool above the standard. Investing 10 millions in the project will start to recover their investment from only after the 3 years and goes beyond the investment of bank, that is 10%. Meanwhile, net present value will be 6.23 and profitability index is 10.62, and the other rest are above the standardization, which can be considered as a good for this company. About sensitivity analysis, if we calculate in a different or the three discount rate, 10%, 8% and 12%, we can analyze the final outcome of every PV, NPV and IRR. It has got the standard calculation and has got the standard value, which can be said that it is profit for the company. Finally, at conclusion, overall, your own device BYOD offer employees and corporation countless business benefit, from increased efficiency to control cost on provisioning a mobile workforce. It can be a strong pillar for the company to uplift the financial status and can have renowned marketing strategy. Competitive advantage can be achieved by the company. The question is no longer where to accept BYOD, it's how to create, implement and manage a successful BYOD strategy. It is very young concept but has got diverse potentiality. Finally, at the recommendation, what I need to or what I have to recommend to the company is all the relevant accounting tool, calculation and the company background suite, the BYOD infrastructure. Applying this emerging technology concept has multiple platform, operating system and version of organization productivity. However, there are some constraints on BYOD which can be mitigated to some extent. I would prefer to adopt this technology, which will give benefit to the accounting company in various fields. Employees will be more friendly with their own tools and that increase the flow of work and make load less. At last, here are some of the references from which I got the all the concept of BYOD and information about the benefit of it. This is the final report of mine. Thank you.